Arutani a university cia muingi guku bururi-ini matinda makirurungana guku mucii munene wa Nairobi makihita kwaga gucokereria irathi-ini nginyagia thirikari ikinyanirie ngirimiti iria mekiraniire.
Comrades ria! Comrades pesa!
Arutani aya matabanirie mururungano na gutwara mendekithia mao bunge-ini ya bururi o undu umwe na ministry-ini ya githomo kuria mamukirirwo ni mwandiki mukaru mathomo-ini ma ngathi cia iguru Beatrice Nyangara na kuria amerire wirutiri wa thirikari hari gutigirira mugomo uyu ni wakinya muthia.
So your welfare also touches on me. So we are in this together. I'm sister of this matter, and the courts are also sister of this matter. We are just waiting for one single information: how much to pay. We will be directed and we shall pay.
8.6 billion. From 16. Subtract that from 16.5 billion.
Muikariri giti wa UASU augite ni magekinyia mucemanio uria urariirio muthenya wa rucio kaunti-ini ya Machakos ona gutuika ni awagithitie kiene na kuga ndugacenjia murugamo wao angikorwo matikaneo kiria makoretwo magitia thirikari.
Because we signed the CBA on 28th October 2019. So when you are talking about automatic payment of automatic annual increment in 2017, that it means you don't know what you are saying.
There is no audit we are going to audit. There is nothing. The audit is already done.
Mugomo uyu ucungiriirie mathomo gutharara thukuru-ini 41 cia university na colleges cia muingi kwa ihinda ria ciumia na guthararia mathomo thukuru-ini ici.
3 weeks they have not worked, and you are allowing vice chancellors to harass them. And yet they have worked for 8 years without being paid. Where is justice and where is fairness? Hatubanduki kwenye mgomo. Tutaendelea na mgomo na ngoma tutairindima zaidi ikiwa makataa yetu na yale yote ambayo tumeambia serikali yafanye. Kama serikali haitusikii, ngoma tunairindima.
Maya mahanikite riri na kio gikundi kia elimu bora kiranire kunyitanira na aruti wira aya hari gutindikiriria thirikari ikinyanirie ngirimiti iria mekiranire na UASU.
Mgala muue lakini haki yake mpe. Tunasema tunaunga mkono waadhiri wa vyuo vikuu, tunasema kwamba walipwe fedha zao na serikali ili warejee katika darasa.
Moritie aruti wira aya matikanoge kuruirira ihoto ciao no makoria thirikari guthima uritu uria uriho riria arutwo marorirwo ni mathomo.
The help money that was bursed to the students is depleted, and students are engaging in very malicious activities that could lead to high rate of crimes.
The students want to learn, the lecturers want to earn something in their banks. The government has the power to do this.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV Getwo wa Boi wa Njuguna.